Want to find ESPN Fantasy password? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, you are not able to find the ESPN Fantasy password in the ESPN Fantasy app itself. So instead, you want to open up your settings. Here, scroll down and tap on Google. Now select all services. Go ahead and find the option of Google Password Manager from here and select that. Now, if you have saved the password of ESPN Fantasy account, you should find the option over here. If you find it, go ahead and tap on that. Now you might have to enter your PIN or password. Now you should be easily able to find your username and password over here. To reveal your password, simply tap on this I button and the password will be revealed. You can simply tap on this copy option and then copy this password and enter it wherever you want. Remember that you will only find it here in Google Password Manager if you had previously saved it. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.